the Red Bull X Alps is the perfect game.
It's an adventure. It's just the freedom to have a little pack and just walk up a mountain and fly as far as you can, and then at the end of the day fold up the wing and keep on going.
It's the beauty of this race is you focus on getting to Monaco as efficiently as possible.
Be something, something I'll remember for the rest of my life. And this experience has just been, it's been a blast. There's nothing like it, absolutely nothing like it.